Villa Mondoukou by Aznar plus Taili in GRAND-BASSAM, CTE d'Ivoire. Villa Mondoukou is a 275 square meters house completed in 2023, located near Mondoukou in Ivory Coast. This project is a collaboration between Remy Aznar and William Taili. It's a holiday house for a couple in the province of Mondoukou, about 100 kilometers from Abidjan. It is surrounded by vast palm trees and with close access to the Gulf of Guinea's beach. The house has a central tropical rock garden, all the walls are made of earth and limestone, and traditional workers near Assinie, Ivory Coast craft a central bamboo roof. The walls are finished with more, the varying shades of earth and lime serve as the only ornamentation of the house. Local artisans skillfully crafted low-cost materials such as earth, lime, and bamboo to construct this house. Everything else is a play of levels in the spatial sequences of the house. You enter through a raised slab between two walls, and then you access the living room, still supported by this slab. This living room provides access to the patio with a bamboo roof, creating a skylight. This patio leads to two independent bedrooms. To reach the master bedroom, you must take the stairs in the entrance fault. This fault leads us to a direct view of the sea. On the right is a tropical bathroom, and on the left is a bedroom that allows us to see the bamboo roof drawing the horizon.